Bit of a gloomy day, today being the 28th Sunday, November 2021, but no rain made possible for me to complete my walk of 90 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, the new South African variant of the COVID-19 now creating so much of anxiety and fear across the whole world. And the way the countries are reacting sometimes confuses everyone. What happens most often is the scientific aspect is not properly showcased to people in a proper communication way. So people assume various things. So the scientific sense or the knowledge need to be properly translated and communicated to people. And then the action that need to be taken with regard to the social, economic and various other factors connected to the countries and the communities and the societies has to be more practical approaches. I mean, the easiest way is to lock down and close countries, and that have been happening over and over again, but yet the virus creeps through, and vaccine has come and booster has come and all that is taking place. But I feel the way the world leaders, the world institutions like even the World Health Organization, the management of this crisis, this COVID-19, is compounded by virtue of the fear and the anxiety that have been translated to the people, vigorously creating a kind of a stressful status to the minds of the people, which can really have an impact on their health, obviously. We need to have a strong mental status to people, and that has to be communicated by the scientists, by the sociologists, the economists, and the global leaders. And that assurance is not taking place. What is taking place? The fear is being imposed in compounded manner, vigorously, and that result in the social media taking and creating further chaos and anxiety to the hearts and the minds of the people. We need somebody really rise up, communicate to the people in the language that they can understand in facing and overcoming, apart from the taking from the vaccine and even the booster, how we need to have a strong mental status to face this challenge and continue our life. Because we do not know how long this will go on. Maybe next 1 to 2 years, mutating. So we need to really recognize that factor and create a conducive culture and environment in the countries globally. And that's the responsibility of all the stakeholders who are driving the affairs of the world.